Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain Student Square app review to see if it worth using. So to get started with the in-depth review about Student Square. So to get started, Student Square is a communication app designed specifically for students to stay connected with their schools. It allows students to receive announcements, schedule update, event invite, and direct messages from teachers or school staff, all in a clean and user-friendly interface. It works as a companion to Parent Square, ensuring students don't miss important updates. The app supports messaging, file upload, and attendance notification, making it a helpful tool for managing school-related communication in one place. However, the app does have its downside. Some students have reported issues with frequent notification, app crashes, or login problem, especially on Android devices. Others find the interface slightly cluttered or repetitive when messages are sent through multiple channels like email, text, and app alert. Despite these flaws, Square Student Square is still worth using if your school actively use it to communicate. So it helps realize important information and give students a direct line to their teachers and event. So just be ready to adjust notification settings to avoid overload, and that's it.